fancy bakery with a Paris vibe where you can hang out and dine? Sounds delightful, right? If you'd like to have the same experience, visit Eclair Bar located at Caltex Marcos Highway. They serve delicious dishes that you can enjoy dine in or take out. Audrey and I visited the place and had their clubhouse sandwich, while Audrey had carbonara, which she totally liked. We also ordered some frap, which we both enjoyed too. And here's the exciting part. They have a selection of eclairs in various flavors, as well as different baked goods like croissants, cream puffs, and brioche that I tell you, they are not just aesthetically pleasing to the eye, but also an absolute delight for your taste buds. And if you're thinking of a unique gift for a loved one, especially like this coming Mother's Day, they also have an eclair cake and eclair box that are suitable as a present. Are you planning a small party or gathering? Their place is also open to be rented to cater to your celebration, and it can fit up to 22 persons. They also have a dessert cart available to be rented for weddings, birthdays, and any other celebrations, which will be filled with their delicious baked goods for your guests to enjoy. Audrey and I had a wonderful dining experience at Eclair Bar, and we highly recommend that you visit their place and try their delectable goodies too. They're open on Tuesdays till Thursdays from 10:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. and 11 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays.